I'm Dr. Nerita, and for over 12 years, I've helped men over 60 naturally restore their vitality, comfort, and energy without relying on endless pills or side effects. I've worked with patients from all walks of life, veterans, retired teachers, hardworking fathers, and I've seen firsthand what happens when a man finally understands how his prostate really works and how to heal it. So stay with me until the end, because I'll reveal not just one, but 5 powerful fruits backed by real science that can help reduce swelling, improve flow, and bring back the strength and calm you deserve. And trust me, you'll never look at your kitchen the same way again. Before we start, if you're new here, tap subscribe and click the bell icon so you never miss another Dr. Back tip designed for men like you. And tell me in the comments, where are you watching from? I love seeing this community of strong, wise men from all over the world. Now, let's begin this journey to relief and vitality. Most men think prostate problems are an unavoidable part of aging. They say, it's just what happens after 60. But that's not the truth. The truth is, an enlarged prostate, what we call BPH, benign prostatic hyperplasia, is not caused simply by getting older. It's caused by chronic inflammation and hormonal imbalance, both of which can be healed naturally through nutrition, circulation, and cellular repair. And while the supplement industry wants you to believe there's a magic capsule to fix it, the real healing often begins not in a bottle, but in your kitchen. After working with hundreds of men, I've noticed a pattern. The same complaints come up over and over. Doc, I'm waking up 3-4 times a night. I feel pressure down there all day. I can't start or stop the flow easily. And honestly, I just don't feel like myself anymore. But here's the encouraging part. I've seen men reverse these symptoms, not through surgery or medication, but through consistent, natural changes that lower inflammation, improve blood flow, and restore hormone balance. Let's start counting down the 5 fruits that can help shrink your prostate and reignite your comfort, strength, and confidence naturally. When I first began working with older men struggling with urinary issues, one fruit kept catching my attention: kiwi. Most people see kiwi as a sweet garnish on a fruit salad, but inside that fuzzy little skin lies one of nature's best anti-inflammatory weapons. Here's why. Kiwi is one of the richest natural sources of vitamin C, and vitamin C does something extraordinary inside the prostate. It neutralizes oxidative stress, that's the silent irritation that causes your prostate to swell and press on your bladder. When that swelling calms, the flow improves, and the nighttime bathroom trips start to fade away. I once had a patient named Alan, 72 years old. He was waking up 5 times a night. I told him, add just 2 kiwis to your breakfast every morning. 3 weeks later, he called to say, Doc, I slept through the night for the first time in years. That's the power of daily, consistent nourishment. Kiwi doesn't just heal, it restores peace of mind. 2. Blueberries, the antioxidant warriors. Blueberries might look small, but they are mighty protectors of your prostate. They're packed with anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that reduce inflammation and protect your cells from damage caused by age and stress. I had a patient, Carl, 64, who said, Doc, I feel foggy. I'm always tired, not just physically, but mentally. I asked him, what are you feeding your cells? He shrugged, whatever's quick. We added a small bowl of blueberries to his breakfast. Within 2 weeks, he noticed something remarkable: fewer bathroom trips, better focus, and more energy. Because blueberries don't just help your prostate, they help your brain, blood vessels, and testosterone, all of which are connected. When circulation improves, your prostate relaxes. When your cells get what they need, your hormones begin to rebalance naturally. That's not hype, that's biology. 3. Pomegranate, the ancient healer of male cells. There's something poetic about pomegranate. Tough skin on the outside, vibrant life inside, just like the men I see every day. Pomegranate has been used for thousands of years to restore male vitality, and modern research confirms it. It contains ellagic acid and polyphenols, compounds that protect prostate cells and balance hormones. One of my patients, Greg, 70, used to feel a constant dull pressure. He was skeptical when I suggested a small glass of pomegranate juice each morning. But after 10 days, he said, Doc, I don't know what's happening, but I feel lighter down there and stronger up here. That's what pomegranate does. It nourishes from the inside, calms inflammation, supports testosterone, and helps restore that feeling of masculine steadiness that many men miss. If you're buying juice, make sure it's pure and unsweetened. Just half a glass a day is enough to start the process. 4. Watermelon, nature's hydrating circulation booster. Watermelon isn't just a summer treat, it's one of nature's best sources of lycopene, a compound that reduces prostate inflammation and improves circulation. Here's the key: poor circulation is one of the root causes of prostate swelling and intimacy struggles. When blood flow improves, everything from bladder control to performance improves with it. A patient of mine, Robert, 68, tried eating a slice of watermelon every afternoon. 2 weeks later, he said, "Doc, I feel freer. I don't have that pressure anymore." That's not coincidence. That's hydration plus lycopene at work, flushing toxins, reducing swelling, and improving blood flow all at once. So, the next time you see a watermelon, remember it's not just dessert, it's therapy, wrapped in sweetness. 5. Tomato, the king of prostate protection. And now, the #1 fruit for prostate health, the humble tomato. Tomatoes contain more lycopene than any other fruit, but here's the secret: it's most powerful when cooked. When you cook a tomato, whether in soup, stew, or paste, the lycopene becomes 4 times more absorbable. Add a little olive oil, and you've created one of nature's best anti-inflammatory combinations. One of my favorite patients, Marvin, 81, was tired of waking up every night. We kept it simple: 1 bowl of tomato soup every morning. After 2 weeks, he walked into my clinic with a smile and said, "Doc, I feel 20 years younger." Tomatoes don't just ease the prostate, they protect your cells, support circulation, and help balance your hormones naturally. So if you want to shrink your prostate, improve your flow, and even boost your energy, consistency is the secret. Not one miracle food, but one daily habit. Here's what I recommend if you're serious about results. Morning, start your day with 2 kiwis or a bowl of blueberries. Midday, add half a glass of pomegranate juice. Afternoon snack, enjoy a slice of watermelon. Evening, include cooked tomato or tomato soup with olive oil in your dinner. Simple, natural, no side effects, and it can begin to make a difference in as little as 7-10 days. You don't have to do them all at once. Start with 1, stay consistent, and let your body lead the way. I know that for many men, talking about the prostate feels uncomfortable, but listen closely. There's nothing shameful about taking care of your health. The truth is, your body hasn't given up on you. Every signal, that urgency, that discomfort, those sleepless nights is not a sign of failure. It's a call for care. And now, you have the tools to answer it. With every fruit you eat, you're not just healing your body, you're making a decision to value yourself again. That, my friend, is the real medicine. If this video spoke to you, give it a thumbs up. It helps this message reach more men who need it. Leave a comment below. Which fruit will you start with first? And don't forget to subscribe, because on this channel, we talk honestly, respectfully, and practically